So, the continuation. Yesterday was those. Today, those lights look pretty dope. I am very happy with those. And then we got the lights at the side, the back. Screwed this on, bolted it down. Just got it taped because I'm tired. Don't want it flipping it back up and down. And then I got the license plate light in there as well too. Still have the tail light to do. And what else? Motorized step. And the roof light. But I'm going to put a different light in. I think I got this other crazy one. And then after all of that, we get into the belly of it. Wire this all in together nicely. This is just a temporary test just to see what up. But yeah. Thank you to 110 Hot Rod and Crawlers and Customs for everything it's gotten so far. It's coming along real nice.